Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Audi RS7 vs Shelby GT500, which is better. Listen for clear differences in power delivery, practicality, and value, and follow along with real examples and simple metrics. I will highlight 0-60 performance, steering feel, cargo room, and typical ownership costs so you can decide which car fits your life. Stay with me for practical tips and straightforward takeaways you can use when choosing. Both cars deliver thrilling acceleration but in different ways, and I'll describe how each feels on road and track. Expect the GT500 to offer louder, more visceral responses and easy drift control, while the RS7 delivers composed, high-speed stability and precise steering input. We'll compare braking distances, mid-corner grip, and driver aids so you understand trade-offs between outright speed and usable performance for everyday driving. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. I picked up some leak-proof meal prep containers that make taking food to track days or road trips effortless, and they're perfect for keeping sauces and dressings contained. Check the description for the link and other deals, and you can grab them if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Think about how you will use the car every day, and I'll walk through costs and comfort factors. The RS7 shines as a daily driver with roomy seating and better all-weather confidence, while the GT500 prioritizes driver engagement over convenience. I will outline typical fuel use, insurance considerations, and expected maintenance intensity so you can weigh long-term ownership against short-term thrills when making your decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.